Okay, hello. This is just another quick breakdown of gold, DXY, and Bitcoin. So if we start off with the most important one for today would be DXY, which is just the average of all the major currencies, mainly the euro and the pound. So if we go on the high time frames, the weekly chart, we can see that price broke out of this major rising trend line. It broke out, retested once, and has managed to retest again, as you can see there. But now if we go to the daily, we are at another crucial point where we're at a rising trend line where price has just managed to touch today, where the dollar tanked. Well, not really tanked, the euro rose because of positive news from the central bank meeting stating that labour markets are growing and they are heading towards higher interest rates. So yes, it's going to be crucial to see if we do manage to hold this point. It's important to look at DXY when cross-referencing to gold in order to gain an idea of where it could reverse in the mid to long term. So yes, this could be a significant point to mark out. Something like this, maybe a few days to stall around this area and then reject to the upside. If we do break, then I would become more bullish on gold and bearish on the dollar. And moving on to gold, we are in this month-long bullish flag formation. As you can see, this channel, this parallel channel up here. As long as we're inside this area, I will not be looking for shorts unless we reach the edges of the outer band of the channel. Then I would not be looking for any trades at all, especially on the bullish side, since we've retested once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, and we're looking at 5th time. It's looking to be weaker and weaker as time goes by. So yes, the only time I would be looking for a trade in this instance would be just to wait for a simple break and the retest at potentially this area here, and then a continuation to the downside, possibly even extend the targets to 1870 and 1670 and 1650, which would give us nearly 1500 pips. If we narrow down any areas after the break and retest, I'd definitely look at 1795 as an area where I'd be looking to short this little zone right here. But yes, the price still hasn't broke out yet, and until it does, I won't be looking for any opportunities. From a macro perspective, fundamentals for gold are in its favour, despite price action showing bearish projections. High inflation, low employment rate point to a low dollar and high gold, but that's not what price is showing currently. We have managed to break out of this trend line here, but it's been quite weak. It has been retested, but hasn't been rejected away from fully yet. So it'll be interesting to see what it does in the next few days. So yes, simple break and retest situation, and hold it until 1720 and possibly lower. So yes, oil, still expected to reach my $90 target, potentially even $92, and Bitcoin rejected its all-time high, and yeah, we'll see what happens from here.